In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp, basics for creating and managing tasks. ClickUp is a powerful, all-in-one productivity tool, and today we'll walk through the essential flow you'll use every day. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into your workspace, navigate to the right place, create a task, and update what matters most: status and due dates. Start by opening ClickUp and logging in. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop and mobile apps if you prefer. After you sign in, you'll land on your home screen. Take a moment to notice the left sidebar, which is where you'll navigate through your work, and the top bar, which often includes search and view options. If you're new, don't worry. Everything we need is just a couple of clicks away. Next, head to your workspace. A workspace is your organization's main hub in ClickUp. If you're part of multiple teams, you might see more than one workspace in the drop-down near the top left. Make sure you're in the correct one so you're working with the right projects and people. You can switch anytime from that same menu. Within the workspace, open a space. Think of a space as a major category or department, like marketing, operations, or personal projects. Spaces help keep related work together. Choose the space that matches the work you want to manage. Inside the space, open a list. Lists are where tasks actually live. They're like folders for tasks around a specific topic or project milestone. Pick the list that matches the work you're about to create or review. If your team uses multiple views, you can still open the list and switch between List View, Board View, or others as needed. Now, click the plus task button to add a new task. Give the task a clear, action-oriented name so it's obvious what needs to be done. You can add a description for context, attach files if needed, and make sure it's easy for anyone on your team to understand the goal at a glance. Keeping titles concise and descriptions informative saves time later. Finally, click a task to update the status or due date. Statuses usually move from to do to in progress to done, but your team might have custom stages. Set the due date by choosing the calendar icon and selecting the right day and time. This keeps timelines realistic and your priorities visible. And that's how you use ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.